Hi everyone. I don't know if you all remember the first video when we acquired the land, but now we're finished, and now I can welcome you to our dream. And what a difference. So if we come down this way, oh sweetie!
She's come to play today.
These are our 3 volunteer rooms. 2 of them are single, and the one at the end is double. This is our single rooms. So all you ex-volunteers will notice that you've now got beds and not mattresses on the floor. You have wardrobes and bedside lamps, and there is somewhere full-size mirrors that will be put in the next day or so. This is a kitchen, cold water, fridge, microwave, kettles, toasters, lovely washing machine, and one of the 3 volunteer bathrooms with hot showers, so you don't all have to queue up in the morning. No excuse for being late for work. This is the double room. Still not finished yet, work in progress, but we're getting there. Give them little doggy pillows. They're so sweet. So off to our pens. I'm not going to actually take you inside them because we have to water the grass 6 times a day and it's very soggy. But as you can see, they're all becoming very green and lush. And here is my favourite pen. And we're just bagging up all the leftover sand and gravel we've got left. We're obviously not going to throw it away, we're going to use it. So the dogs in this pen have got the grass, we've got the concrete, we've got the soil, and then they've got their bedroom. So when it's raining, thundery, they can come in here and hide. So it's really nice for them. Then we go into the inside part. So the dogs have this all inside area, and then they can go outside onto the grass. And the same in that pen. So they've got their inside area, then they've got their grass. Oh, yes. I need to tell you about these fences. I did throw quite a few tantrums about them because they took so long to make, but they're absolutely amazing. So if we wanted to make this into one pen, we could actually lift this fence off and this would be one pen. And the same in all the pens, all the fences lift off. So we can make them bigger, we can make them smaller, which is absolutely brilliant. And this is the big hall. Our plan for in here, because it's so huge, is to make it an agility room. You know, so we're looking at buying tunnels and seesaws and hoops, just to make it a fun place for the dogs to be, where volunteers can come in and play with them and train them. This is our isolation room. Again, it's not finished, but it's going to be with a platform so the vets can look after the parvo and distemper dogs in here without affecting the rest of the sanctuary. So there'll be the disinfectant baths inside and outside. This is what we're thinking of turning into a cat pen. I know it doesn't look like it at the moment, but we could take the roof down and put on a mesh ceiling and put the big concrete circles in with trees and plants and I don't know. The cats are in progress. I'm not sure what we're going to do with them, but we've got plenty of room and we're going to make them a beautiful home. You're all so beautiful. This is our intake room and home recovery room. Idea was stolen from Bex, and then Urs engineered it all. So they've got plenty of room and pets don't have to be on their knees to actually treat them. This is my office. And this, guys, is our clinic, which we are also very proud of. It's how a clinic should look. It's perfect. We've already bought lots of drugs. Obviously we don't have enough yet, but we've got our microscope, centrifuge, autoclave. We do have an ultrasound on order that should be here in the next few days. We've got all our surgical kits, obviously surgical table, surgical lamps. So we are very, very proud of it. We've done so much. And bear in mind, this was a concrete room. There was no floor tiles. The walls were all just concrete with brackets for canoes. It was a mess. And to envision the dream when I first came in here was a bit like, I really don't know if this is going to work. But as you can see, it has. It has worked. There's Urs doing are you doing a tour?
Yeah.
So Urs is doing another tour.
Okay.
This is Urs, our engineer, who designed it all. Who we couldn't have done it without.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going upstairs. Vets or long-term volunteer bedroom. So obviously a nice double bed, ensuite bathroom, and a balcony. Did you video it? And this balcony goes right around to our seating area. Well, after work. And Bald's here working away.
Yeah, IT guy.
And this is it, guys. End of. I need to sit down. That was a long walk for me.
We've done so many laps of that, haven't we?
My legs are aching today. But I want to thank each and every one of you. Whether you donated, liked, shared, or just gave us support. We couldn't have done it without you. And we have made my dream come true. We've got a beautiful sanctuary. It's going to be such a happy place. And that's the way I want to keep it. And I just want before I cry, I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Bye.
Aww.
Love you all.